All right, now let's get some reaction on this. We're now joined via Teams by Zukie Vuka of hashtag Unite Behind. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your time this afternoon. Before we get into the merits of this case, firstly, let's get your reaction to the court's denial of yet another postponement.
It's been 5 years. We have been, trying by all means to, get a response and to know what is going on, or to at least try to understand what is going on in terms of the proceedings. I must say, after today, we're quite happy with the decision by the tribunal to not only to not postpone the tribunal entirely, but to give her Judge Makhubele a few days tomorrow to get herself and find a representative for Wednesday. We're quite happy with that result.
And like you say, this case has been ongoing for several years now, 5 years to be exact, according to yourselves. Following a complaint, of course, by your civil society organization. Just walk us through then some of the allegations you are accusing Judge Makhubele of, and how crucial you think the evidence already that has been given before that tribunal by, amongst others, Gauteng Judge President Dustin Mlambo is crucial to this case.
It's very, very crucial. So just to take you through, there's when we laid the complaint, it was on two folds. One was, as you mentioned, separation of powers, and the second part was her conduct when she got to a position of being a chairperson at PRASA. So in the complaint itself, we mainly saying that as the member of the judiciary, you can't function an executive function. You cannot be reporting to a minister. As a judge, you can't be the only thing that guides you, or the only thing that would be giving you direction is the Constitution itself. Other than that, there's no one else that can give you direction as to what to do. So in that regard, we're saying she has breached the separation of powers, and when she got to the position of being a chairperson at PRASA, how she paid special attention to a very dodgy contract, the CIA contract that has been tainted, with corruption. So the evidence given by Judge President Mlambo, Fani Dingiswayo, as well as Mathangoyi, was very crucial because it gave us a clear picture, and the rest of the public, as to what happened, how she managed to exclude them from attending important meetings, and how she managed to make rash decisions when she got into that position, and most importantly, how again she was paying a special attention to the CIA contract.
And the other one, of course, was how she was instrumental in the disbanding of PRASA's panel of attorneys, investigating corruption at the agency. Yeah. So when you look at, these charges, particularly, of course, the one that we're talking of now in terms of her influence in PRASA and the implications by the State Capture Commission, how does this then affect, and how damaging is it, not only for her as a judge, but also the judiciary and, the legal fraternity as a whole?
It placed the legal fraternity in a very difficult position, because should we, if there was no complaint, or, that we didn't really mention to, and we didn't really to
All right. Unfortunately, we have lost Zukie Vuka there, and she, of course, is from hashtag Unite Behind. Of course, we were talking about Judge Nana Makhubele, of course, today, that the Judicial Conduct Tribunal denying further postponement, saying that she will have to appear before the tribunal by Wednesday, the 24th of January this year. So we will be keeping a close eye on that particular case.